I was a child. Before life removed all the innocence, my father pulled me high and danced with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I felt asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with her, I'll play a song that would never end. How I love, dance with my mother again. My mother would disagree. To get my way, I would run from her to him. It make me laugh just to comfort me, then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final chance with him. I'll play a song that would never end, 'cause I love to dance with my mother again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear how mama would cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. The only man she'll love. I know you don't do it usually, but they'll know she's dying to dance with my mother again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever